I got the old beast fired up. Let's see if I can knock out some of this wood pile a little bit. It's a lot of wood. I'm out of breath. That's a job. That's a major workout. It's over my head. And you can see the hole I cleared in here. That was up to here. And over to here. And up in this area. That was filled. That's a lot of wood I just processed out. These are heavier. I gotta break through here next time. I need to push these in so I can get to them. These are very, very heavy here. I might even need help from Melanie. But that's a good majority of the logs that need to be split. That was a lot. I don't know how much I got. It's really hard to say in a pile like that. I don't think I got a full cord yet though. Yeah, like I said, it's really hard to say. It spills down. It's 6 feet high at its peak though. Yeah. I'm done. It's getting dark. And the machine was starting to sputter a bit. It was getting low on gas, which was cue for me to quit. But really good. Well, that's it guys. Just a brief one tonight. I was doing other stuff off the land today. But that's my old log splitter. Got that for $250 when we first got to Michigan. And I kept that engine from the one I had in New York. I bought that engine for $50 in New York and I kept it off my log splitter that I got for free over there. And I've used it ever since. I used it there and I brought it home and used it here when we moved. Good motor. Good machine. This one had a decent looking 8-horse on it, but had no spark. I still have that, but never had a need for it yet. Anyway, probably dinner time. It's probably beyond dinner time. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Providing for our own heat, our own firewood for off-grid tiny house. Self-sufficiency. Talk to you later.